Hi there. Namaste. My name is Ally, and I'd love to invite you to an upcoming free yoga and yoga nidra immersion here on YouTube. And this is a go at your own pace free immersion with myself and our other faculty at the School of Living Yoga starting on August 12th, and it will go for 7 days. You can do each day consecutively if you like, or you can do the practices as it suits you once the immersion begins. So this is going to be a little bit of an exploration through the subtle body, exploring holistic hatha yoga. So there will be asana, pranayama, meditation, and even we're going to be including yoga nidra for each of the chakras at the end of each sadhana as well. So the holistic hatha yoga experience is a really great preparatory practice for yoga nidra. And so I hope that you join us and check it out. Each of the practices will be led by myself, Tina, Kristen Rose, Laura, and Emma, who are all going to be facilitating the training this year together, the 200-hour yoga teacher training, which is an online 200-hour training which is open for enrollment currently. So you'll get to experience classes with each one of us throughout the 7-day immersion. Okay, so I hope you're excited. I hope you join us. Again, it's just a free hatha yoga immersion. It's going to be so beautiful, and we have so many wonderful tools for calming the nervous system and for creating some stillness in the mind, getting the body moving in helpful and accessible ways, and I know that it's going to be really amazing and help a lot of people. So you can share this with a friend. There's a link below to sign up. Once you sign up, you'll get an email each day of the immersion sending you a link to the practice where you can then participate at your own time, at your own pace, from whatever time zone that you live in. I know there are so many of you who have taken place in our free immersions in the past and absolutely love them. So please let me know if you're going to join us down in the comments. I'd love to see who's joining us this time around. And I'm so excited to begin. Thank you for being here, and thank you for staying here, sticking here to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, just give me a little namaste in the comments. I hope you have the most beautiful day. Thank you for being here. Namaste.